Hey fly fishers, if you're one of the people that watched my last fly fishing video, not an interview, but fly fishing video, you saw me break my 5-weight on a fish. You know, I've only broken one rod on a fish in 20 years. And I've had rods broken by guests on the boat by stepping on them. Not a Sawgrass one-piece rod though. So today is going to be a true test for me to go into Sawgrass. And full disclosure, I'm a pro at Sawgrass. I work for them some. And we're going to go in and see what we can do about getting this rod replaced. This is that 5-weight that you saw break. We'll show you the footage anyway. But you know, that brings up a topic for me that it's kind of industry related, and that is Temple Fork Outfitters, or TFO. You know, back in the golden days of TFO, when their international headquarters was, it still is, but was in Dallas, Texas, and it was a warehouse with offices and everything all in one concentrated place. You could go in anytime, basically, during working hours and get a piece replaced on a rod that you might have broken, or in this case, might have been broken. I didn't break the rod broke. That's my new terminology. Don't tell anybody you broke the rod. Tell them the rod broke. But anyway, you could go in anytime, day or night, and you could, not day or night. Anyway, you could go anytime during the working hours and take that piece in that broke. They'd pull one off the shelf and give you a replacement and do a little bitty bit of paperwork. And it, at first, was a free replacement. No matter how long you had the rod, you know. Then as things got tougher and tighter and everything else, you had to pay a little bit, but you could still go in. Well, TFO has changed, but you know, one thing is that when you start with a small company, you're lucky enough to get on the ground floor with a company like Sawgrass, like I've been lucky. You still get that personal attention that looks a lot like what Temple Fork Outfitters, TFO, used to look like. So I'm going to go in, see how this exchange goes. I'm a little heartbroken because this one had a custom done calligraphy on it with my name on it, and that goes away now. This rod is done, I guess. They'll salvage the pieces and parts probably, but basically done. And get my hands on perhaps a new 5-weight or something else. And I do have another rod down there that's being built. It's actually my Blue River rod. So got to get a look at that, see how that's going. Hey guys, I'm just loading up the car right now. So get you one of these if you haven't seen them already. Kydex holsters instead of those leather crapola for $300, $200, $300, $400, $500 pair of pliers. That's my little plug for now. Let's go down there and take a look. All right, guys, we're down here at Sawgrass now. It's in a tough area, so you know you're gonna have to travel through some wild-looking spots to get here. But one thing I know for sure is you need to call ahead. This is a small operation, so before you come down, you can get in the front door, but you just need to call ahead and make sure someone's here. When there's only a couple of employees right now, they might not be here. They might go to lunch. They might lock the door and go to lunch. So keep that in mind. Let's go take a look and see what they can do for me on this 5-weight. All right, guys. These guys are right here at the front of this industrial kind of strip place thing here. And here's their door. All you got to do, as long as they know you're coming, come on up and come inside. All right, man. Can you help me out? Come up here and I'll show you. Did you watch that video?
I did.
Where I broke the rod?
I've actually got it put up in the office.
Well, that's not good. I don't want anybody. Oh, man. So how did I break the rod?
Do you want to go watch the video?
No, I'll put the video in.
So it was a full-on high stick. With any rod, your tip portion of the rod is what's designed for casting, and then the back portion of the rod is what's designed for fighting your fish. The tip portion, so this was a 5-weight, but say it was a 6-weight. Tip portion of a 6-weight, if I'm not mistaken, is rated to load under 160 grams. a bass, a 1 pound bass, or a 5 pound carp like you had on, is going to be overloading that 160 grams by tenfold, more than that. So when you're fighting that fish, it's kind of hard to show when that rod's broken. But
wait, can I put the strip guides in here, or do you want me to separate?
Yeah, you can throw it there. So when you're fighting that fish, there are a lot of times I was really expecting the rod to break earlier in the video, just because there are several times you put your hand right here,
I put my hand
and that's dangerous.
further,
And that's what
I broke the parabola on the rod.
Yep, you had your hand right up here.
It's just like I saw it in the replay. When I did it, I was like this right here, and I just broke the parabola, broke the rod. Yeah, because I don't break the rod, and then I was just in a hurry, and I was like, this rod isn't doing the job. It was way out of its class. As far as I usually use about 8 weight on my fish. So, well, what is your policy for folks coming in here off the street to deal with a broken rod, fishing rod, fly rod, or whatever?
Yeah, so I'll start with kind of the first step in our warranty process, which is our Touch to Trust program. So, and that's only viable to customers who are buying online, because if they're in the store, they're going to be able to have their hands on it before they buy it. But our Touch to Trust program is from the day you receive the rod, you have 2 weeks, 14 days. If for whatever reason you don't like anything on the rod, you can send it back or give us a call. We'll send you a return label on our dollar, and you can put that rod back in the mail in the tube that you got it in, and we'll send you a 100% refund.
So don't trash that PVC tube.
Yeah, do not trash that PVC tube off the get-go.
Right.
Then from the Touch to Trust, we go into our 30-day warranty. 30 days from the day you get your rod. If anything goes wrong with it, it's 100% replacement on us. And then for the remainder of the life of the rod, anything happens, it's 50% of the retail cost of the rod. The only thing that we do ask is if you're mailing a return, or you're not in the state and you're not going to be coming here for your warranty exchange, if you could just take like the label section here and just break it off, just to prove that the rod was broken.
So you're going to break the rod before you send it, right here.
Well, it should already be broken.
Yeah, and break it again.
Yeah, right. And just send us the label section. And it doesn't have to be in a box or anything, just the little 3 inches of the label.
Yeah.
And then send it in just a standard USPS envelope and push it in.
I see what you're saying. Okay, well that's smart. I mean, that makes sense to me. I don't know how everybody else does it, but that makes perfect sense then. That's great. All right, what do you got in the way of a 5-weight for me?
Got one ready for you in here, actually.
Bring it, baby.
So this is going to be that 8'3" that you're asking about.
Yeah.
7 inches off of our standard length.
Oh, I like that. Of course, it doesn't have the crazy personalized deal there, but is it ready to go?
It is ready to go. If you ever have a few days you don't want to finish it, we can send it off to our calligrapher, or we have a label printer now.
She sometimes comes to the events, doesn't she? I had that done at
sometimes, yeah.
Oh.
Some of our bigger happy hours and stuff.
So tell me about this shorter version here. Is it just a shorter blank off of the regular 9-foot?
Yeah.
You just took it down a little bit?
Yeah, just knocked off 7 inches, making it a little more tighter corners cast in.
Well, is that going to be available for sale?
Yeah, it is already available.
Okay, it's already up there. That's even lighter weight. Yeah. I mean, that 5 was... There's rods that are sweet spots.
Oh, yeah.
The 5 is a sweet spot.
It is.
I mean, I like
my favorite all-around rod.
Yeah. That's my daily carry right here. Yeah. Well, I appreciate you taking the time to switch me out here and get me back on the water with a good 5-weight. And we'll see you tomorrow on the water, buddy.
Great seeing you.
Yeah, I'm gonna miss this rod, man. And now you know the policies at Sawgrass for returning, which has even surprised me about how they deal with returns. Returning any rod from Sawgrass, and the financial aspects of it and all that. Thanks for watching, guys. like and subscribe. Visit the website, texasflycaster.com. Visit sawgrassrods.com and get you a Sawgrass rod. This stuff is right here local. You can get in and meet these guys. You can cast these fly rods right here. They'll set it up for you. You can come outside and cast. Sawgrass, baby. I'm telling you. Believe me now, pay me later. That's the truth. See you later, guys.